Arrive in style with this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include engine immobilizer, driver adjustable lumbar, satellite radio, power steering, rear-wheel drive, passenger illuminated visor mirror, cruise control, telematics, and leather steering wheel. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.